Hello, friend. I'm so glad you decided to join me for a moment of self-care using visualization to help your brain cultivate happier pathways. Remember when you were a kid, dreaming about all the different jobs you might have one day and anything felt possible? Well, in today's visual, we are going to become the driver of an ice cream truck, bringing smiles wherever we go. Are you ready? Join me in the first person now and begin to embody this as your own story. I grip the large steering wheel of my ice cream truck, feeling the textured leather under my hand and the slight resistance as I turn into a sunny neighborhood street. The seat beneath me is high, giving me a perfect view of the neighborhood ahead. I press my foot lightly on the pedal, feeling the truck respond, smooth and steady. A warm breeze flows through the open window, dancing across my skin and carrying the hints of summer. Freshly cut grass and pavement warmed by the sun. I take a deep breath in. It's so fun driving around in an ice cream truck and getting paid for it. I love the way it makes me feel, bringing smiles to faces. The truck rumbles beneath me as the sun glints off the colorful decals that wrap around its sides. Bright reds, blues, and yellows, swirls of pink and chocolate. It's a rolling masterpiece of sweetness. A melody drifts from the rooftop speakers, cheerful and familiar, a tune that signals something wonderful is on the way. Up ahead, a group of kids play on the sidewalk. The moment they hear the music, they freeze. Heads pop up. Eyes go wide with recognition. For a moment, there's silence. And then comes the shout. Ice cream truck! A call that ripples through the street. And then a rush of excitement and movement as they spring to their feet, scrambling to their houses to grab a few coins. I can almost hear the jangle of money clutched in their eager hands as they sprint outside again. Laughter and footsteps patter toward me as I roll to a gentle stop. I slide open the service window, and a rush of cool air spills out from the freezers inside. The scent of vanilla and chocolate swirls around me, mingling with the bright, citrusy zing of rainbow sherbet. The kids line up, chattering excitedly as they scan the menu plastered on the side of the truck, pointing at colorful pictures of swirled cones, crunchy chocolate bars, and rainbow-striped popsicles. "I want one with the bubble gum at the bottom," one shouts, bouncing with excitement. "A fudge bar, please." "I'll take a rocket pop." Another points to a drumstick, the crunch of chocolate and peanuts echoing in my mind as I grab one. I hand out each treat with a grin, watching tiny fingers curl around cold cones and sticks, and faces lighting up with pure delight. The first bite is always the best. Lips pressing into creamy sweetness, followed by a giggle of satisfaction. Their laughter, their sticky smiles, and the sweet joy is contagious. It bubbles up inside me like opening a fizzy soda on a hot day. I feel playful and light, as if I'm a kid again, caught in the magic of an endless summer. As the last treat passes through the window, I pause. Just taking a deep breath and letting the feeling settle deep into my body. The joy, the playfulness, the simple magic of it all. Delivering happiness fills me with warmth, like a melody I've heard 100 times and yet never grows old. With a final wave to my satisfied customers, I close the service window and shift the truck back into gear, watching in the mirror as the kids sit cross-legged on the curb, happily licking their treats. The road stretches out ahead, waiting for me to bring more smiles, more sweetness, and more joy. The music plays on, its happy tune rolling out into the sun-kissed afternoon.